Welcome back to Bingers Bricks, everybody. My name is Ben. In today's video, we're starting to clean up and pack up the Lego room. In less than 1 month, we have to be out of this house, so it's time to start packing up sets and cleaning up tables. So, let's get started. Make sure you like, subscribe. Here we go. I mentioned this in my last video, everybody, but we have been working on the Lego City for almost 2 years. Crazy how time flies, but now it's time to start packing everything up. And Ollie, what is our goal today? What are we going to do?
Our goal is to we're going to pack the stairs up and put all the Lego buildings up there, and then
Yep. Yeah, you're absolutely right. Yeah, so we're going to start over here on this left side. So we have our smaller table, and then we have our longer table. Today, we're going to be working on our smaller table. We're going to take all the roads down, pack those up, and then we're going to try to fit as many modulars as we can up on our shelves. We'll move our Avengers Tower over and just keep that down here, especially since it's so big. It won't fit up on our shelving anyway. So let's get started, and let's start taking everything down. You ready?
yeah, let's do this.
Let's do this. Finny, what do you think? Should we start doing this? Yeah, baby.
Yeah.
Small little correction, we are not just taking down the left side table today, but also the greenery area and all of the roads. After moving these sets around, I am dreading having to actually pack these sets up. It's going to break my heart. If you guys have any comments or suggestions on how to pack Lego sets up, please let me know down in the comment section. All right, while Ollie is trying to fit Rivendell underneath our table over here, I was getting ready to start taking this table down. One thing I forgot is that we do have this second tier over here for our large table, but what we ended up doing to try to make a little bit more room since we were running out of melamine is we actually offset this from our table. So as you can see, this table ends right here, but our second tier over here actually shifts over 10 inches to add another 10 inches for our modular, which in return gave us 10 more inches over here to put more into our greenery area. So we just have to try to offset that again here. So what we'll do is we will try to push the Avengers Tower down, and then that will give us 10 more inches to be able to shift the entire thing down, and then we'll finally be able to start taking down our shorter table over here. Now, everything barely fit up there. I think we could still fit a few more sets. You know, if anything, we just have to take some of our shadow box display cases down, but overall, it's looking pretty good. I'm glad that we were able to fit most of those up there. In the meantime, we will start taking more and more stuff apart. The one downside is we are going to have to start taking apart the train too. I guess I didn't even think about that part, Holly, as you know, the train's not going to be working anymore. No.
But we'll be able to build it when we get to the new house again.
Yeah, we'll build it up again at some point here, won't we?
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, let's keep working.
Yeah.
I gotta start.
Let's keep doing this.
Yeah, and I gotta start clearing out down here, get all the manuals and some of the base plates out, start putting those in boxes so that we can start cleaning up. All right, let's keep working.
Yeah, let's keep working.
As I started taking down our melamine tables, I was trying to figure out what I should do with them. If I should store them in a storage unit for now, or if we should just buy new ones further on down the road. Let me know what you all think in the comment section. All right, one whole table down, taken apart, taken into the garage, and now we only have 2 tables left. We have our larger table, which we'll leave for last, and then we have our greenery table over here. I'm going to start taking this one apart today as well and starting to put some of those different sets up above. We are running out of room, as you can see, but otherwise, it's all looking pretty good. I'm excited to actually have a little bit of progress done in here. We have all the boxes taken out from underneath our tables over here. Let me know down in the comments section, I guess, what do you guys do with your boxes? Do you guys break them down? Do you throw them away? Do you try to sell them? I know there's not a ton of them necessarily that hold a ton of value, but definitely something I'm looking forward to keeping, as I really love the different artwork, especially on the black boxes when you get into certain 18 plus sets. I think they look really nice and definitely something I want to try to keep or incorporate, you know, underneath tables just to make it look a little bit more displayable. But let me know what you guys think. But otherwise, it's about time to get to this smaller table over here for the greener area. But before we do that, I just want to give a quick shout out to our last winners here that won in our giveaway back in February. Definitely going to be doing another one soon here, but want to give them a quick shout out and show you guys what they purchased with their winnings. Just a quick little update on our 1,000 subscriber giveaway that we did back here in February. I did finally receive pictures from the 2 lucky winners that won a $50 gift card for first place and a $25 gift card for our second place winner, and those were both to the Lego store. Our first place winner, Cat Coder, ended up spending his money on a 501st Battle Pack as well as a Space Mech. I'll put pictures up here above. And then our second place winner, Julie Olive, ended up spending her money and putting it towards a larger set in the Lego Ideas The Office set. Make sure you guys continue to get in on our giveaways that we'll be doing. We'll be hosting another one here in the next couple months once I get settled after moving into our rental house. But let's get back to the Lego room. As we take down the greenery area, I just want to remind everybody about Rakuten and how it is a free web browser extension designed to help you save money and get money back just for shopping. There are quite a few different companies that participate in the cashback program, and my favorite, of course, is the Lego store. I love shopping on the Lego store. I love getting free cash back. And as you guys are shopping, please make sure you use our link to help support our channel. Well, our smaller Lego table in the corner over here that was housing the greenery area is finally taken apart, and as you could probably see from the video, that it was definitely probably the hardest Lego table to take apart that we will have in the Lego City, primarily because it was so part intensive. We had all of the rock panels, all of the sloped, inverted slopes, cheese wedges, 2x2 bricks, Duplo bricks, and as you can see, we have everything packaged away in a box over here. Those were pretty easy. You'll see that we moved all of our modulars and some of our larger buildings and sets up here to the shelving as we had in our previous table, and everything's looking pretty good there. The second thing is I actually got a little carried away here. I actually started tackling the larger Lego table here, and as you can see, I took away the second tier that was in the back, got that all taken down, put it back in the garage, and then pushed all the modulars back, moved all the vehicles down, took all the road plates apart, and actually ended up putting those in a box as well. So really the largest thing that I need to tackle next is starting to finally put modulars into totes, whether it's saran wrapping them, taking them apart. I need to figure out what to do. So if you guys could comment in the comment section, just leave me a note, just letting me know what the best route would be. I don't want to have to take them apart, but I also don't want to be missing a bunch of pieces as we're moving. So definitely a lot left to do. And again, I'm excited to get going. As I mentioned, we're starting to slowly pack things away here. I mentioned I took down some of the roads. So in this box, we actually have our strip lighting and extension cord, but then we also have all of our road plates, as well as our little fountain that we had. On our second tier, we have some of those road plates with our little fence or railing up top, and then also just have some other random extra pieces in here, just some of our bulk brick that we had. In this box, this is primarily instructions along with a couple extra pieces for sets, and then this is also extra pieces for sets, a little bit of instruction, more bulk brick, plate, just a bunch of random other pieces. Definitely something I'm trying to keep everything pretty clean and organized, so definitely starting to write myself some notes. And then I already have a few totes prepped and ready for some of our sets to be put in, and it just feels really nice to start having everything kind of organized and ready. The one thing I'll definitely need to do is I still need to go out and purchase some more totes so that I can start putting stuff away. I need some saran wrap, and then I also need some bubble wrap, especially when it comes time to start putting away some of the shadow boxes that we have here. I really don't want things to jiggle around too much, for the glass to break. Obviously just be kind of tough to have to purchase another shadow box to have to reinsert everything into. So definitely something I'm going to look into, and I'm excited to get started on our next video so that we can start putting some of these sets away, take down our larger Lego table in the middle here, and then start packing away some of our cars. Definitely a lot left to do, but it just feels good to have a solid start on this as we are moving out of our house in the next 2 weeks. We got a lot done today, everybody. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please make sure you guys like and subscribe. Stay tuned for our next video as well, as we are going to be packing everything up in our next video, and we're going to talk a little bit more about that process and how we're going to do so. So thank you again. Look forward to seeing you all soon. Bye.